everyone says that niacinamide will fade away your dark spot really fast. But is that really true for a brown skin girl living in 45-degree heat? Because of this claim, I tested Anua niacinamide serum for 3 months. And my result might surprise you. Stay to the end because I'll also share one step that makes the serum work faster for me. Guys, you already know that dark spot, hyperpigmentation, and even skin tone spend a lot of time to stay longer on brown skin. And honestly, most of the skincare brands do not have brown skin girls in mind when formulating these products. That's why I bought my annual serum. It is lightweight, it is Korean, and everyone swears by it. But I was asking myself, will this actually fade my hyperpigmentation? Or will it just be another bottle collecting dust? And living in Dubai heat is brutal. Above 46 degrees in summer, constant sun, and sweat makes pigmentation even worse. So this was the ultimate test. In my first month of using this serum, I like the texture because it's watery. It's so easy to absorb into the skin. It's not sticky at all, which is perfect for Dubai weather. But honestly, the first month felt like nothing at all. My skin only got brighter. Not the pigmentation, guys. My skin got brighter and the pigmentation became more visible. I don't know if you've realized that sometimes we buy skincare products hoping to transform our skin or lighten up our pigmentation, and you get the opposite effect. Your skin becomes more brighter, obviously, and the pigmentation you're trying to hide becomes more visible. Have you ever experienced this as a chronic hyperpigmentation treater? I'm a serial hyperpigmentation treater. I have been battling hyperpigmentation all my life. If you've been battling hyperpigmentation all your life like me, I bet you've experienced this in 1 or 2 occasions. Month 2 of using this Anua niacinamide serum, I was using it once a day on month 1. So what I changed was I started using it twice a day. I had my retinol serum. I put it aside. In the morning, I put it with my lightweight hydrating moisturizer followed with my SPF. At nighttime, I repeated the same process, but I excluded my SPF. Obviously, I needed to do that because no one uses an SPF at nighttime. I think everyone knows this already. And I started exfoliating twice weekly. And listen, this made a big difference. If you're desperate to fade acne scars faster, exfoliation is the key. I actually have a full video on how to exfoliate properly. So watch if you're really serious about removing acne scars and pigmentation. By the 3rd month, I can really see a big difference on my skin. I finally saw real results. My newest scars, like the ones I had 4 months ago, was visibly clear. Let's keep it real, guys. If your scars are older than 2 years, this serum isn't a miracle worker. For me, it worked on fresher marks. The hyperpigmentation I got from my last period acne, that was about 4 months ago. To be honest, this serum gave me a healthy glow, but my stubborn old scars were still hanging on. You can visibly see it if you come close to me. If you start from miles away, you might not really see it, but if you really come close to me, you will see those 2-year-old scars were still visible on my skin. It got lighter, yeah, but you can tell your girl still got pigmentation on the skin. What I told you is good, but what's coming next is the deal breaker. But this serum works if you use it the right way. So here is what makes Anua stand out from the rest of the serum I've tried this year. It's super gentle, amazing if you have sensitive skin. It layers perfectly under moisturizers and sunscreens, which is a must if you live in heat, Dubai heat, or dry humid weather. It gave me this super radiant glow that made me stare at my face every day in the mirror because I was busy admiring myself and the glow. Oh yeah, I wouldn't take this away from the niacinamide serum. No, that's the hard truth. That's the truth, guys. Don't I glow? Because of the glow and radiance on my face every day, I minimize my application of makeup. If you have a healthy skin, glowy skin, you don't need that much of makeup, right? I think we all know this. You can tell your girl is glowing. We all know. But the benefit of the serum is more emotional than physical. It taught me patience. If you expect overnight result, you will not get it from the serum. You will definitely be disappointed. Here are 3 ways to make the serum work for you. Use it twice a day together with your moisturizer and sunscreen. Do not skip the sunscreen, because if you skip the sunscreen, OMG, your pigmentation is going to get darker and result will be hard to get. Exfoliate properly. Exfoliating with your chemical exfoliant and physical exfoliant, it really can make your skin clear and brighter. So my verdict is Anua Niacinamide serum is not a must-have. But for the price and performance in crazy Dubai weather, it's a great option, especially if you're dealing with new scars. If your pigmentation is old and stubborn, like me, hard truth, it won't erase it, but it will keep your skin healthy, glowing, and brighter, and prevent new ones from coming around forever. And if you want me to help you do the guesswork, I offer one-on-one consultation, and the link is down below.